So guys, this is my Rajasthani Gujarati thali. I obsess over thalis and this thali is massive. Like I can't explain how massive it is, and I'm promising to go back with at least 3 or 4 kilos. So don't judge, okay? No judging allowed here. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Isha Shroff Shah and today we are at Rasotsav, which specializes making Indian Rajasthani thali, and I can't wait to try it. Come along. ये क्या है?
काकड़ी रायता।
दिस इज काकड़ी रायता. नेक्स्ट इज ग्रीन चटनी, पुदीने की चटनी. नेक्स्ट इज मीठी चटनी.
मीठा चटनी।
एंड नाउ कम्स द लहसुनी चटनी. वाओ, थैंक यू. ये क्या है? बीकानेरी पेटिस. ओके, ये है बीकानेरी पेटिस. और अभी है मेरी फेवरेट खांडवी चटनी भी डाल दीजिए बीच में थोड़ी सी एकदम. हाँ बस, थैंक यू. अब आया है सैलेड हमारे पास. अभी आया है पिकल है, मिर्ची, बरेली मिर्ची, एक नींबू और प्याज. ये है सेव पूरी चाट. इसमें क्या है?
राजस्थानी दाल बाटी चूरमा.
वाह, दाल बाटी चूरमा. इसमें आप डालेंगे दाल, थोड़ी और दाल डाल दीजिए ज़रा. घी, लॉट्स ऑफ घी.
चूरमा.
हाँ, चूरमा, थोड़ा सा चूरमा भी डाल दीजिए, बीच में डाल दीजिए. शुक्रिया, थैंक यू.
काजू करेला मैम.
काजू करेला नहीं, मुझे नहीं पसंद, पर ठीक है थोड़ा डाल दीजिए. ठीक है, थोड़ा डाल दीजिए.
पनीर सवनी.
हाँ, बहुत सारा पनीर. वाह.
आलू भरेला.
हाँ, आलू भरेला.
हाँ जी. भिंडी छोले.
हाँ,
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू. अब आप क्या लाए हैं?
कढ़ी है.
कढ़ी. हाँ जी, कढ़ी, राजस्थानी कढ़ी.
स्वीट दाल.
स्वीट दाल. हाँ भाई, हम गुजराती हैं, मीठा दाल तो खाते ही हैं.
स्पाइसी.
स्पाइसी भी खा लेंगे आज.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू. आप क्या लाए हैं?
इस मैडम फुल्का.
हाँ, फुल्का रोटी.
पूरी.
पूरी, एक पूरी दे दीजिए.
मकाई रोटी.
मक्काई रोटी दे दीजिए एक.
वेजिटेबल पराठा.
वेजिटेबल पराठा भी एक दे दीजिए.
घी बटर.
हाँ, घी डाल दीजिए थोड़ा सा. शुक्रिया.
बटर लेंगे इस मकाई रोटी पे.
हाँ जी, थोड़ा सा बटर. गुड़, थोड़ा सा गुड़ भी. वाह, थैंक यू. ये क्या है भैया?
मलाई सैंडविच.
एक दे दीजिए. एक्चुअली 2 दे दो, मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद है.
अच्छी.
यहाँ पे आ जाएगा.
हाँ जी.
थैंक यू। ये क्या है भैया?
अंजीर हलवा है।
अंजीर का हलवा, थैंक यू। ये क्या है? ये दे दीजिए। गाइस दिस इज मालपुआ रबड़ी, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा और इसके ऊपर बहुत सारी रबड़ी डाल दीजिए आप। शुक्रिया। यहाँ पे दे दीजिए थोड़ा सा, बस शुक्रिया।
पुलाव राइस।
पुलाव राइस है और
कौन मसाला खिचड़ी।
मसाला खिचड़ी। सो अब हो गया
और
और आना बाकी है गाइस। ये तो जस्ट शुरुआत है और खाना आना बाकी है। अब आई है हमारी मसाला छाछ, डालिए, भर दीजिए अब आप। So guys, this is my Rajasthani Gujarati thali, and tell me in the comment section, are you a thali person or a Punjabi person? I obsess over thalis, and this thali is massive. Like, I can't explain how massive it is, and I'm promising to go back with at least 3 or 4 kilos. So don't judge, okay? No judging allowed here. So guys, we are very lucky. We have Mr. Ajay Nair with us, who's the director of this place, and he's going to tell us something about the place. So what was your brain behind making this, and what is about your thalis? They look massively good.
Okay, first of all, thank you for your visit. I mean, it's my pleasure. Today we have started this dream venture. Just been discussing for this project since almost 2 years.
Okay.
So due to various pandemic other issues, we have
Of
been
course.
delaying this. So, my experience in this particular thali field is too high. I mean, for the last 20 years, I've been indulged with the thali experience. I've listened to various brands, of course. So all major thali brands. Maybe my people, my team is still there with us. So this is my 30th year in the industry, F&B
Okay.
industry. So thought, this is the time to start something of my own.
Okay. So you wanted to say something about Rasotsav and something about the thali to the followers, so that they will want to come.
Rasotsav is definitely, it would be a brilliant concept because it is conceived with a lot of passion, experience, and lot of professionalism in it. I mean, it's just not a thali restaurant. It is involved lot of what ideas in it, and we have considered the entire customer requirements. So I have been selling or probably working with thali since last 20 years. So from the experience, I know what people do expect from a thali restaurant, especially from a Gujarati Rajasthani thali. So we serve very fresh food like all other thali restaurants, because most of the thali players, they serve fresh food. So same thing, but only the difference is our menu keep changing every day. The basic concept remains same. The structure remains same. The
Right.
items keep changing.
Okay.
So that a person like if you come every day you have a different item in our menu.
Okay.
So you have a different experience. That's about the product. Secondly, what Rasotsav is different than other thali restaurant, probably the combination of the menu we have taken in such a fashion that nothing is repeated again. Maybe a
Wow,
gravy,
okay.
the color, the taste. So
Okay.
every item which is served is a different item. It has a different.
It inspires Gujarat and Rajasthan
Exactly,
completely.
absolutely. And when people say it's Gujarati thali, then meeta, no, it's not.
No, it's not.
Yeah. People need, I have option for
Of
that.
course.
See, if somebody need a meeta dal or a meeta
Right.
curry, I have that with me. I
Right.
sell that also.
Right.
and almost 30 to 35 items we are serving in one thali, which
Right,
is
absolutely.
unlimited.
You're saying that, and I mean, I've already told them that I'm gaining 3-4 kilos here. And the fact that you said is Gujarati and Rajasthani food is like completely different. Gujaratis are a little meaty, I am one of them, and Rajasthanis are spicy. So I can literally see a combination of all of it. And guys, 30 days, 30 different thalis. So you know that's a challenge you guys should take up. And come here for 30 days and have 30 thalis, and I promise he's going to give us some good offer to that then.
Yeah, sure. We are here. I mean, you know, this is our first venture. We definitely are very. I personally also. I mean, you know, I'm very confident that customer experience is our prime, which we have been doing it all these years. I don't know any other job other than customer service.
Wow.
So, you know, I mean, I can assure that things are, I mean, taken utmost care, and especially in this COVID period, all safety, everything is taken properly, carefully done.
Right.
And lastly, I wanted to tell you, I mean, after this fantastic thali, you should visit our kitchen. Our kitchen is like, it's an open kitchen, you know, we have a board there, you know, welcome to Royal Kitchen. So it's not only you, any guest who wanted to, and we wanted people to do that because, you know, you can see the masterminds, the brain behind the kitchen, because we are here, they are making it. You know, you should see them, and you know, they will be very happy.
So when I started my career, my first offer of reviewing a product was the thali in Rajdhani. And I still remember my father and me had gone inside the kitchen and we'd seen the kitchen. It was an experiment and it was so much fun. So I'm definitely going to try this and tell you what I'm going to have and how it is. And thank you so much for coming and, you know, talking to us. My followers are going to love talking to you now.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It's my pleasure. Please support us. This is our first venture, and we assure you the best. Please come and visit us.
Thank you so much. So guys, this is the menu for today, and we are trying all of it. Look at it, guys. I mean, it's insane. And 30 days, 30 different thali is like a challenge. Guys, what do you think? Should we go ahead for a challenge? So guys, now it's time to try the massive thali. So here are the 4 sabzis, there are 3 dals, there is 3 mithai, there are 4 types of paratha rotis, there is 2 farsan, there is dal khichdi, pulao, and okay, there's too much food. So I'm going to try one thing from each of the sections and tell you. No judging if there's food out here or anything, because that is just going to happen. And not wasting time, I'm going to start with a starter. I think I'll try the khandvi first, and let me tell you, it's nice. The khandvi has, I think, a beetroot mixture in the middle, so it's something very different we've ever tried. It's nice. I don't taste a lot of beetroot, but it's the khandvi and I can taste the khandvi. Next I am going to try for you guys is the fulka roti with lots of ghee inside, with the pindi chole, and I'll take a little bit of the Rajasthani kadhi. Oh my god, that perfect flavor of kadhi and the crunch of the chole, to die for. Next I'm going to try is let me think, I'll try this, the mithai, because I was eyeing on it since a very long time. Please don't judge. This is the jalebi with rabdi. So cheers. Can you hear the crunch? It's so crunchy, and look at it, it's so good. So now I'm going to try everything in peace without you all looking at me, and tell you my final at the end, what are the results. So stay tuned, and till that, enjoy and let me eat. So guys, the final verdict of Rasotsav is we love the food. It is really nice. I won't say it's amazing, but it is really worth coming once a while. And the most favorite thing is people are really warm and friendly. So that's something everyone needs when you come to a thali place. The food price point is $4.99 plus taxes for the whole week, and only on Tuesdays they have the offer which is $2.99 inclusive of taxes, which is amazing. You get this massive spread at just $2.99. It's insane, guys. And they also have everything available in Jain, so that's another plus point for all my Jain friends out there. And yes, please do come try out the place, and in the comment section let me know if you want to know anything else. So guys, if you like my video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to press the ring icon so that next time when I put up a video you guys can see it. Also let me know what you guys like in the food options. Would you like Gujarati thalis more? Do you like Punjabi? So that let's know each other better.